Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRAcars. Happy New Year to you, to all. 2023 should be a prosperous, healthier and safe driving year for all of us. Today we're talking about why people are not preferring diesel cars and is 2023 going to fade out diesel cars. Number one, manufacturers like Maruti have announced that they are not going to produce diesel cars. Like Volkswagen, Skoda and many other manufacturers have stopped manufacturing diesel cars and selling diesel cars in our country. There are many reasons for it. For example, if you want to buy a diesel car, the scenario is like you should drive 100 kilometers per day, then the diesel car is viable for buying. Because from the diesel car and the petrol car, it's 1.5 to 2.5 lakhs difference. The cost of the car. Diesel car are more costlier than the petrol cars. And the major thing which is coming up in 2023 April onwards, real-time testing will happen for our BS6 norms. So, what is real-time testing norms for BS6? Is normally the testing norms are that they do at a testing condition. But now the government is very clear and strict in emission norms. So, when you are driving a car at 40 speed, what is the emission? What are the gases, toxic gases which are coming out of the car will be checked. 60, 70, 80 like that. So they're going to check the cars from April 2023 onwards. BS6 norms phase 2 is going to be implemented. So all the manufacturers have to invest a lot of money in their R&D technology, and they have got into that. They are making their products suitable for BS6 phase 2 norms. So they are going to fix DPF, diesel particulate filter, which gets fitted in front of the catalytic converter. So when you burn the gas when you're driving, the gas goes through that filter and all the toxin particles are all stored there. And after some time, the filter gets full and it gets choked. Immediately you get a signals in your dashboard. Don't get panic, or you have to take it to the service station. What happened? Why is this signal coming? So you don't have to worry. The manufacturers are educating the end user that what should they do when the filter gets choked. So they are going to recycle. Self-cleaning is going to happen in that by when you put your car on drive. Let's say for example you are going on highway, make sure you have a speed of 60 to 70 kilometers speed and drive for 20 to 30 minutes. When you do that, the entire particles which are stored in that filter will get burnt, converted to ash. So no toxins coming out of through it. This is what BS6 norms are, and with this implementation the cost of the car will increase from 4 to 6 lakhs. So most of the consumers are not preferring diesel cars, and the manufacturers are also not interested in manufacturing more diesel cars. Slowly the diesel will fade off. People will prefer buying petrol cars, hybrid and then electric cars. I would request, if people who are watching this video like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, and if manufacturers are listening to the video, make sure you manufacture more hybrid cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRAcars. Thank you.